I was introduced through an after-school program we have called TSA, Technology Student Association. They have competitions, not just on drones. There's CAD, game design, flight simulation, which I'm doing.
We're at the Academy Shawnee. This is our aviation career pathway.
Right now I'm looking for drone operating jobs based in Louisville.
Daggan right now is a Part 107 certified pilot, meaning commercially he can fly drones up to 55 pounds.
When I was little, my mom lived in Arizona, so it was really fun for me to fly in the airplanes, going to Arizona. So it was me as a little kid, I guess.
And he's just beginning his flight instruction where he'll be a fixed wing pilot. And his goal is to get that done before he graduates high school.
Definitely a difficult program to stay focused on, but it's a great opportunity, and what JCPS is providing, the 44 flight hours completely paid for, is a lot of money.
We have an after-school program called the Technology Student Association, the TSA. And in that program we fly drones. So we have some small drones that are GPS driven, and Daggan was flying those, and he says, well, what else can I fly? And so we got a bigger drone, and then he brought his Xbox controller and he started controlling them with his Xbox. So through that, we talked about the licensing process, and he said he wanted to do that, so we helped him get that done. As a teacher, to see a kiddo get motivated and excited and find some drive, that's what we're looking to do with all the kids, right? We're always looking for that button to push that will motivate a kid.
I was pretty excited. Honestly, I was pretty confident that I would. I just started pretty hard, but I was really happy. And my mom sent me a picture when I got the license in the mail.
So that's happened with Daggan, and he is self-motivated at this point.